Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen here, and today I'm doing another hike and I'm going to take you with me. So right now I am hiking at this trail in Rapid City, South Dakota. This is called the Buzzards Roost. I had to make sure I was saying the correct trail name, but I just got done walking all the way up and whew, I'm sweating because it was a little steep. It's about 400 feet of elevation gain, so it's not that bad, but it is pretty steep. But it is a beautiful day. This is actually at the Black Hills National Forest here in South Dakota. So check out these views. It's really pretty. Yeah, so let's get going on this hike. I'm trying to hurry up and finish this hike actually pretty quickly, but yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not, then you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button and share this video with your friends and your family. Hey guys, so I made it up here to Buzzards Roost and the views are absolutely amazing. Check it out. Let me show y'all. Check out those views. Wow. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see the Black Hills and from here, you can actually get a good view of Black Elk Peak, which is the tallest peak in South Dakota. And we actually hiked that yesterday, but let me see if I can show y'all. It's a little hard to see, but it's like somewhere here is the tallest peak. Obviously, it's like far away, but it's pretty cool. This trail is really close to Rapid City, so it's right next to the city, which is nice. But you get spectacular views of the mountains And yeah, definitely check this out if you're ever in Rapid City, South Dakota. So I'm gonna take a couple of pictures here and then I am gonna head out. So I actually hiked the harder way coming up. I went counterclockwise because I thought it looked easier, honestly, on the map, but come to find out it was actually the harder way. But that's okay, because now I get to enjoy these lovely trees on the way back down.